As you travel around 300 kilometers from Bengaluru, the granite rocks of Ballari welcome you. The active markets of the Hyderabad-Karnataka region, the soaring temperatures across the rural lands, the dry deciduous forests, home to over 18 lakh voters, make it the Ballari Lok Sabha constituency where political temperatures are always high. In this constituency reserved for the scheduled tribes, BJP's B. Sriramulu, who was a Lok Sabha MP in 2014, will be contesting against Congress's E. Tukaram, who is fighting to enter the parliament for the first time. The moment you land in this constituency, your ears are ringing with catchy tunes. While one highlights Sriramulu's accomplishments in this constituency working for the development and progress, another captures Tukaram's pro-people initiatives. Each of them carefully crafted and composed intricately by the respective teams to make it a viral and a political sensation. Sriramulu hit the spotlight when he worked with the Reddy brothers during party leader Sushma Swaraj's election campaign in 1999. Though she lost then, the BJP barged into the Congress stronghold, holding fort since 2004, except for 6 months between 2018 and 2019. An MLA in 2008, he parted ways with the BJP and the Reddy family in 2011 post the illegal mining case in which Reddy was arrested. While he got back into the party fold in 2014, he now has the power of Janardhan Reddy too behind him. Despite 6 of the 8 assembly segments having been backed by the Congress, Sriramulu is banking on the Modi factor and Reddy's influence to wrest the seat.
ए बार 400 सीट जीतना पड़ेगा। वो 400 सीट्स पे श्री रामलू भी बल्लारी और विजयनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट से रामलू भी एक होना चाहिए। देखो हम कभी ये 10 साल से मोदी जी साहब को हम देख रहे, एक गुड गवर्नेंस दे रहे। देखो ये एक भी बिना एलिगेशन, बिना करप्शन देश के लिए काम कर रहे।
लेकिन अब जनार्दन रेड्डी जी जो है वो अभी यहाँ पे आपके साथ जुड़ रहे हैं।
देखो पार्टी हमारा पार्टी में नहीं था, बाद में उसका एक रीजनल पार्टी खोले। रीजनल पार्टी खोलने के बाद वो भी एमएलए को तो पब्लिक इलेक्ट किया ना, नहीं बोलते। कभी पब्लिक से कभी जीत को है तो उसको लीडर को तो एक्सेप्ट करना ही पड़ेगा। अभी बीजेपी में है, अभी तो बहरहाल इधर के लोगों में उसका भी क्रेडिबिलिटी है।
After biting the dust in the recent assembly election in Karnataka when Sriramulu represented Ballari rural and lost, he is now looking to revive his political prospects with mining baron Janardhan Reddy's Ghar Vapsi to rebuild BJP's fortress here. But the Congress is now claiming that Janardhan Reddy is looking to exonerate himself from the cases. Sriramulu's desperate attempts to gain sympathy votes are being debunked by Congress's E. Tukaram, who is highlighting his welfare initiatives and contributions while holding several posts including that of district in charge minister. And the Congress guarantees are another poll plank. For Tukaram, challenge lies in the fact that his reputation may be limited to the Sandur Assembly constituency that he has represented 4 times.
In Karnataka already you have seen, so guarantees are work out. In next overall India, it definitely will work out. He's not spoken this accountability. He's already last time he's become a minister, then also he's a MP. His accountability is must now. The Ballari people are seeing this Reddy administration. He's last is a minister, no, and that time he already seen. Nothing has happened. This time definitely Congress I will win.
A mix of urban and rural population with an estimated 21% scheduled castes and 18% scheduled tribe population. The issues here are diverse.
मैडम हमें मोदी जी के ऊपर भरोसा है। मोदी इज द पर्सन, ही कैन मेक द रूल्स। हमारा इकोनॉमी 3rd पे लेके जाने के लिए वो गारंटी दे रहा है। 2000 रुपए के लिए हम हमारा वैल्यूएबल वोट खोने के लिए तैयार नहीं है।
काम कर रहे आदमी वो और गरीबों का मददगार है, बहुत अच्छा काम किया।
आपको लगता है कि यहाँ पे जो है सिद्धरामैया गारंटीज और मोदी गारंटीज के खिलाफ यहाँ पे?
नहीं, वो भी काम करेगा, क्यों गरीब लोगों को अनुकूल हुआ ना, हर गरीबों घर को पैसा पहुँच रहा, एक जिंदगी चलता, गरीब घराने का जिंदगी चलता।
Both the parties have worked out the caste equations by fielding candidates belonging to the Valmiki community. The BJP is looking to mine Janardhan Reddy's clout in the region, and the Congress is looking to scale Ballari boulders in this region with its guarantees. With camera person Govind, Pratibha Raman in Ballari for NDTV.